JMAI Photoshop Lite. One click, no watermark, no subscription. For writing, there is the text editor. Draft scripts, captions, or product descriptions, then let the AI assistant improve clarity, summarize, or change the tone. Export your writing as HTML, plain text, or Markdown, ready for websites, docs, or content planners. So that's JMAI Photoshop Lite in action, a modular AI-powered playground built on Google AI Studio. If you want to see real results, not just promises, check the links in the description, watch the full demos, and test the app yourself. One click, no watermark, no subscription. I don't talk much. I just let the images speak for me.